Welcome to the Business Resource and Innovation Center's Business Databases Introduction Series. Today we will review Gale Business Plan Builder, which is a step-by-step online planning tool for starting, managing, and optimizing a business or nonprofit. The program's intuitive dashboard walks users through 5 areas of exploration to develop a business plan focused on long-term success. Gale, the parent publishing company, is an educational publishing company that aggregates primary and secondary research for use by public and academic schools and libraries. Gale Business Plan Builder is useful for entrepreneurs at any stage of establishing a business, as it incorporates a guided approach to instruction suitable for a beginner, but thorough enough for an already established business just looking to improve upon their business plan. Small Business Plan Builder was one of the few databases that was only available on site at the BRIC, but we're happy to announce that we now have remote access, so you can use it from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection and your library card and PIN number. To access Gale Business Plan Builder, you want to navigate to our business services page at freelibrary.org/business. You want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the link that says Premier Business Databases. You will be taken to a list of the 13 databases we primarily use for business research. They are listed in alphabetical order, so you want to scroll until you see Gale Small Business Builder. If you are accessing this database from home, you will be prompted to enter your library card and PIN number at this point. Once you enter the database, you'll be greeted by the start page of what you see on your screen right now. This will detail how this resource can be beneficial, whether you're a new entrepreneur, an experienced business owner, or nonprofit. For new entrepreneurs, this tool will help you explore interest and potential opportunities. Experienced business owners can get access to planning tools for long-term success, and nonprofits can learn elements necessary to write bylaws and secure funding. You can either click on the Get Started button down here in the center or the Sign In button up here in the top right-hand corner. You will have to create an account within the Gale Business Plan Builder database in order to save your work, which is highly recommended since building a business plan usually takes more than one session. I'm going to click on the Sign In button to sign in. I already have my username and password here. If you're a first-time user, you would click on this button that says Get Started. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. Your dashboard will include all of the foundational elements of your business plan, in addition to tools you can use to develop your plan further. On your top toolbar up here, you'll notice a series of icons, and each of them represents one of the categories you will see over here on the left toolbar. The first icon here represents your dashboard, where we are now. And then next to that, you have the entrepreneur profile. Following that is your business ideation, your break-even analysis, business plans, and lastly, your financial projections. You'll also notice that you can choose your language, and they have 15 language choices. As you plan your business based on the foundational elements on this left toolbar here, they will be saved in a portfolio in the center of the page, like what you see here in the middle. You can easily track your progress as you move along, and you'll see here on the elements that are not started yet, it will say not started, and on the ones that have started, you will see in progress. And then once you are complete, it will say completed. As mentioned before, this tool takes a really guided approach where you can access guides to assist you along the way. If you click on this Guide Me button right here, you'll get an explanation of the various starting points. It will explain how you can go about using this tool to create your business plan based on where you are, whether you're a new entrepreneur in already established business or a nonprofit. So let's exit out of this view. To start your business plan, you will want to first choose your organization type, which you can see right here on the left. You can choose from a for-profit business or a nonprofit. They do feature different building elements, so it will be important to choose the organization type before beginning. Where the business profile includes things like the entrepreneur profile, business ideation, and business plan, the nonprofit element will include things like the founder profile, which you will see once it loads, the founder profile here, ideation, and bylaws and strategic plans. We're going to choose the for-profit business for our example today. And you'll notice once we get back to the for-profit business profile, once I click on Entrepreneur Profiles drop-down menu here, we get a menu of other choices under this general category. All of our foundational elements will function this way, some offering more options than others. Under each element, you will see that the options are categorized under Build Your Foundation, which will always be the starting point, and Keep Building, which will offer additional resources to continue building upon your plan. If we open this entrepreneur profile worksheet, you'll be taken to a page where you can enter details about you as the owner of this business. The questions will prompt you to think about and answer questions that will be important to the foundation of your business. As a nod to being a guided tool, you'll notice links above the questions that explain what the tool is, how it works, why you should do it, and where you should start. If you click on one of the drop-down arrows, you'll be able to see the answer. So what it is, they'll give you a nice sentence to describe what this tool is, and the same for each of these categories. Once you enter all of your details in this worksheet, and I'll scroll down so you can see the different types of questions you will be asked. Once you answer all of them, you can download this worksheet and you can save it or download it. And you can have it for your own records. If you click on the return to your dashboard, which is right here, you'll see that we have some additional resources that we can use under the entrepreneur profile. If you click the drop down, you'll see the Keep Building category. If you click on Entrepreneur Profile Resources, you'll see that you get additional help that can help you with each of those questions that you saw on that worksheet. So if you clicked on this link, it will give you examples of business ideas. It will explain what a business idea is, how to form one and brainstorm one, and also how to use them as a business tool. So each of those resources can be really helpful when you are building your plan and completing that worksheet. We're going to go back to our dashboard. After completing your profile and you're ready to get started on your plan, and you return to your dashboard, you want to click on the business ideation to complete your lean canvas. The lean canvas is an internationally recognized tool that really helps you describe your business in a one-page summary. This canvas is designed to help you quickly assess the strength of your business idea by prompting you to examine essential aspects of your business early in your entrepreneurial journey. It will help you to complete the formal business plan, which also uses the lean model. After filling in each area, like what you see here, you can save and return to your dashboard at the bottom. So you'll see things like the problem, what problem are you solving as a business owner, solutions you can offer, your value proposition, what makes your business unique or your business idea unique, some customer segments that you may have, your target customers. These are all things you want to consider when brainstorming and getting ready to write your formal business plan. I'm going to return to our dashboard here. You'll see after the business ideation that there are tools to help you create a break-even analysis, which is broken down into the related financial concepts that you will have to consider to determine at which point your business will break even or reach a point where your expenses are not greater than your revenue. Finances can often be complicated to calculate and project, so a benefit of this tool is that it also calculates these values based on your inputs. If we open expenses right here, you'll see that we have a tool that will give us calculated values based on our inputs of expenses, cost of goods sold, capital and sales, and then it provides a report that will project when the business will break even. You'll also notice the additional resources provide an explanation to financial concepts as well. So if we go back to our dashboard, under our break-even analysis, you'll see that we also have some additional resources that will help us understand all of those great financial concepts that may be a tad bit confusing. So just like we saw an explanation under the business ideation tab, For that worksheet, you'll definitely see some for different financial concepts that will contribute to the building of a strong business plan. So once you finish all of the preliminary sections of your business plan, you can then head to the business plan section, which is located right here. If we click on that drop down, after you complete those previous sessions, you'll be definitely prepared to begin writing your business plan. You'll see that you can complete the Lean Business Plan, which is a concise living document that explains the direction of your business. You can and should revisit it and update it regularly. It's usually between 7 and 12 pages long. In the Lean Business Plan, you'll see that you can add all of these necessary details of your business plan one section at a time. If we go back to the business plan section by clicking on dashboard and going back to business plans, additional resources for the business plan are also available. You'll see additional resources such as a pitch deck, where a downloadable pitch deck is made available for you to customize with your business information. They also have options for a full business plan. If you click under the drop down for other business plans, where you can write a full business plan more thorough than the Lean Business Plan, and it explains every detail of your business. A full business plan is usually used for presenting to investors after your company has already been operating for a little while. It typically ranges in length from 15 to 30 pages long. Lastly, the financial projection section. This is where you can input all of your financial information, like your capital expenditures, debt and loans, equity, inventory, sales, and more. There's also a robust financial projections resource tab here. If you scroll down just a tad, this tab here that will provide you explanations of key financial concepts, and they also provide additional resources to other concepts that may not be available in that initial view. You'll see things like arising lending resources, tips on managing employees, and much more, as you can see in this robust list here. Once you've entered all of the necessary information for your business, as well as explore the additional resources for each section as needed, you can download your completed business plan into a PDF or a Word document by clicking here where it says download. You can also email this to yourself if you just want a record of it in your email, or you're not fully complete, or you just want to have a record of it digitally. I recommend downloading it into a Word document if you don't think you're quite done and you would like to work on it. If you are completely done and you're satisfied with your full business plan, you can download it as a PDF and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.